One of my favorites would be the outdoors.
The double ovens were hands down my favorite thing.
The air filtration.
Having a yard.
This massive island. When I go into my home, it's quiet. I close the windows, they're nicely built.
I like to be able to go up on the patio and get out of the sun. We turn on a fan, we turn on the TV, we can cook out there with our grill and we can make it almost another room.
A lot of our respiratory issues are subsiding. The fact that I know that my family's breathing healthy air is really important to me.
So many amenities that came standard. The storm shelters, they have the in-ground water sprinklers that's already there, burglar alarms, the farm sink.
We've got 2 big dogs, so being able to watch them run around in the backyard and not have to worry about anything has been a real nice change.
I do like the smart closet, like everything being there is kind of, I thought it was cool, but it really kind of helps clutter and everything.
I didn't realize I was going to love the fireplace so much. We've been using it a lot, and I didn't realize that it was going to be that big of an impact on us.
I hate pulling a drawer out and then having to search underneath the counter for something that I'm looking for, but these come all the way out. And it's
So
amazing.
much cabinet space. Everything is just up to the quality and standard that I would want in a home.